Hello, everyone. I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. We're not going to see much temperature deviation today. We'll show you this graphic. At 8 a.m., cloudy 48 degrees, cooler at noon, cloudy 45 degrees, maybe 46 degrees at 5 p.m. and cloudy. But the big weather story today, windy. Winds from the west, 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting to 40 miles an hour. A wind advisory is in effect all day long. I'm Sam Reichert. Thanks for watching.